perpendicular distance.
Yeah, perpendicular distance. The force multiplied by perpendicular distance. That gives us the value of moment. And I think that's going to be sufficient. But do we use vector notation in your case, or we just do graphical? Okay, so there are a few things which require explanation here. Okay, let's take this here. Okay, so here moment of a force measures the turning energy, then clockwise moment. So if this is the point P, okay, and if you want to find the moment
Yes.
about the point P, then you have to take the force, magnitude of the force. That's what is represented here. Fine, this is the magnitude. So magnitude of the force multiplied with a perpendicular distance. So you can see here the distance is perpendicular. That's what is taken here. Then if suppose P is the point and the force F is like this, but we don't know the perpendicular distance. We don't know the perpendicular distance. We know a distance which is acting at an angle theta. If this is the case, then first we need to find the perpendicular distance. Okay, so geometrically speaking, this is the hypotenuse and this is opposite. So opposite is the hypotenuse times sine of theta. Okay.
Yes.
So now if you want to find the force, it will be magnitude of force multiplied by this perpendicular distance. So that's what is taken here. Okay.
Yes.
Now there is one more way to solve it. There is one more way to solve it. Many times finding this perpendicular distance is difficult in the problems. So in case of that, what we have to do is we have to take vertical component of the force. You have to take vertical component of force. So what is the vertical component of force? This will be F into sine theta, no?
Yes.
So for this component, D is the perpendicular distance, है ना?
Yes.
And the horizontal component of force, what is the horizontal component? That is F cos theta. It is passing through the point P, है ना?
Yes.
So for this the distance is 0. For this the distance is d. So total moment will be this plus this. This is anyway completely 0. So we get this, that is F into sine theta into d. Okay. So are both these connections are same now?
Yes.
We have just rearranged the sine theta, है ना?
Yes.
So we can either go ahead and take component of force or we can go ahead and take component of distance. ठीक है? So both ways we can apply here. So this is done. Okay, so we have